Today we got a special vehicle, super rare BMW M4 GTS. The PPF was falling, covered in very old shape. We're about to transform it. This M4 here is a special, it's a GTS track. Super rare, you don't see much of these out there. This one is designed specially for the track. It's got the roll cage, as well as the special GTS rims. Super rare. Unfortunately, it did have PPF, but the PPF was getting so old and so yellow, it was just discoloring the whole car. On this one, we did a full removal, did a decontaminate the whole paint, and as well as did a paint correction. And then we actually installed a very cool spoiler on it as well, which was missing. These GTS usually comes with the spoiler from factory, but this one didn't have one, so we installed one for it. Fully carbon fiber roof. This car is super light. The GTS is designed for the track, so it's very light. It's got the bucket seats. You see the embed factory GTS on the dash. Super cool. It's got the matching roll cage with the rims as well. Very sporty and ready for the track. All the panels, even the inside, the outside, it's got a lot of carbon, it's got a lot of lightweight. Everything is designed for the track on this. This one had the PPF on the full body. Thankfully it did have the PPF when they purchased it, but the PPF was getting very old and was getting discolored, so we had to remove it to bring back the original paint on it. The full body was PPF. It had some peeling and it had a lot of dirt that was built up, so we had to remove the whole PPF on the whole body and do a full body paint correction, polished it, just bring back the original paint. M4 GTS does come with a lot of carbon accents, especially the front carbon lip. It's got a very cool exposed carbon with the copper accent all around. Matches the wheels and the roll cage, and it does have a very powerful engine as well, the M-Power 3-liter twin turbo. Super powerful, has the support as well. It's got the carbon built in, very track friendly. You don't see a lot of these M4 GTSs. These are designed, they're specially ordered, and if you get your hands on any of them, you'll be very lucky. The GTS is the top of the line for anybody that likes the track version of the cars and they're into the tracks. This has super lightweight, even the interior, the wheels, they're all designed strictly for the track. A very super rare, super fast 3-liter twin turbo. What else can you ask for in a track car? This is the top of the line of the M4 series, the GTS track edition. Super light. If anybody's looking into any type of track car, this will reach the top 5. It's got the cool spoiler, full out carbon, the wheels, the roll cage, all of it just designed strictly for the track. And if you're in the market looking to get any type of protection for these, as you know, on the tracks you get all these dirts and rocks and everything else. To protect the paint, you hit us up. We'll do the full body PPF, do the ceramic coating, all of it to get it track ready. You know where to go at Roll GT Auto. And if you're interested in the content, follow us, subscribe. We'll be putting up a lot more of these type of vehicles, the exotic cars, and a lot more is coming through.